After receiving your product, please check that the following items are included. Unfold and lift the stem. Securely lock the stem latch. Remove all fixing bolts from the handlebar clamp. Remove the upper handlebar clamp. Place the handlebar onto the lower clamp. Ensure the sandblasted center section of the handlebar is perfectly aligned within the clamp. Reinstall the upper handlebar clamp. Insert the handlebar clamp bolts as shown in the video. Tighten the bolts sequentially following the tightening order shown in the video. Remove the 2 mounting screws from the display bracket. Install the display onto the handlebar as shown in the video. Reinstall the display bracket screws. Adjust the display angle and tighten the 2 bracket mounting screws. Finally, tighten the 2 display fixing screws after confirming the angle. Remove the headlight mounting screws and washers. Install the headlight together with the washers and screws as shown in the video. Tighten both headlight bracket mounting screws securely. Connect the headlight power cable. Align the arrows on both connectors before inserting the plug. Folding and unfolding instructions. Press the safety lock and open the latch on the stem. Fold the stem downward. Hook the stem latch onto the rear hook located at the end of the deck. The scooter is now fully folded. Release the stem hook, then lift and unfold the stem. Securely lock the stem latch. The scooter is now unfolded. The charging port location is shown below.